Hello guys, in this step-by-step video, I will show you how to turn off sound in Facebook app. The steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook. So after you open your Facebook, as you can see now, you can see the interface like this. All you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now scroll to down and tap on this settings and privacy and go to settings. So under the settings now, scroll to down and tap on this where it says notifications. So under these notifications now, here is all the notifications that Facebook used to send me on my phone. So scroll to down and tap on this section where it says email. So as you can see now, under this email, all you have to do now, tap on this section, this first option where it says email frequency. Under this email frequency, tap on this required notification, last option. So now Facebook will stop sending you notification unless the notification that are just necessary for you to know about your Facebook account. So now go back. Tap on this, scroll all the way down and tap on this SMS again and tap on this SMS frequency and choose this required notification. So as you can see now by changing these two notifications, now I turn off all the notifications from my Facebook account. Now Facebook will stop sending me notification. But the last option is if you scroll to down and tap on this push notifications, this one. So under this push notifications, all you have to do now, make sure just to turn off all these notifications as you can see now, this one. Make sure to turn them off as you can see now. Make sure just to turn them off all of them. So by turning all these notifications up now, Facebook will stop sending you any notification on Facebook account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.